Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupalama. Coming up next this week on Imbewu, Monday, Zagit goes to offer Fikile support, but Fikile remains locked in their bedroom. Fikile starts a fire in the bedroom and Zagit freaks out because she cannot unlock the bedroom door. Tuesday, Lindo jealous gets out of hand and he plans trick at Msamo to run Bohle party. Unfortunately, Msamo catches fire and the guests start vomiting. Wednesday, Nkululeko discovers Fikile has disappeared from the hospital and hires someone to find her. The church board is horrified about the church convicting and excommunicating Kanyo and Pagate. This day, Lindy realized that Lindo was also responsible for faculties at the party and threatens to expose him if he does not come clear. Friday, Nkululeko goes against his family and continues with their preparations to marry Thokozile Spirit to Ncolosi, fulfilling his mother only desire. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.